In this day and age of the internet, more and more people are opting to work from the comfort of their own homes. One of those jobs that can be done from the convenience of one's own home and allows one to put their skills to work while earning a reasonable income is online typing. There are many well-paying typing jobs available online, and you could even perform them in your free time. You may find these jobs by searching the internet, but how do you determine which ones are legitimate? Well, we've done the research for you and found some fantastic websites where you may find some online typing work. Stick with us to find out where and how to apply for online typing jobs. Hey guys, welcome to Side Hustle Pursuit, the channel that gives you options when looking for new and interesting side hustles. I'll also share highly effective money-making tips and strategies, so if you're interested in topics like these ones, feel free to explore more on my channel. Now let's get on to the video. Don't we all have humble beginnings? When you're just getting started out, it can be unsettling to have the impression that you haven't any experience under your belt yet. But it is not impossible for you to find work even when you do not have any previous experience in this field. If you can type accurately and quickly, working from home as a typist, whether or not you have previous experience, can be the ideal choice for your career or side hustle. Jobs that are done remotely as typing provide for a fair amount of flexibility in terms of hours, and the more quickly you can type, the more money you will make. So we recommend that you practice improving your typing skills if you want to thrive in online typing jobs. You can do this by searching up where to practice typing, or just go to similar websites such as keybr.com, Typing Academy, typingtest.com, typing.com, typingstudy.com, and more. These websites are designed to help you learn how to type more accurately and faster so you can generate more income in a shorter amount of time. With that in mind, here are the types of online typing jobs and websites where you can apply for them. Number 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing can be done by anyone who has the motivation and drive to do so, but it is particularly appealing to self-motivated people who need more freedom in their daily lives. The types of content you can produce as a freelancer include everything from articles and blog posts to scripts, manuals, technical documentation, and stories or adverts. In the event that you're thinking about establishing a profession as a freelance writer, it is essential that you understand about the work and how to get started. You can apply to Upwork.com or any other freelance website once you've mastered the basics. Just type writing jobs into their search engine and you'll be sure to discover plenty. This is a position that allows for a great deal of flexibility in time management and where you want to apply. So be sure to check out Upwork.com. Number 2, virtual assistant. Although most virtual assistants are independent contractors working for themselves, you also have the option of working with an agency that specializes in virtual assistants. Depending on the company you work for and the duties they demand, most people can also become virtual assistants without prior experience. Because the scope of the work may be extremely vast, it is important that you reach an agreement with the client regarding all of the work in advance. The average pay for a general virtual assistant might range anywhere from $450 to $600 monthly, so it's a fairly great side hustle if you want extra income. You can apply as a virtual assistant at vanitworking.com, Upwork, Indeed, Viki Virtual, and many other sites. Just look them up in the search box and you'll be sure to find many virtual assistant jobs. Number 3, captioning and transcription. You know how sometimes when you watch videos, they will display the text of the words that are being spoken on the screen at the same time? That's thanks to captioning and transcription services. If you want to work online as a typist, this is an excellent position for you to apply for. The amount of money you make as a typist is directly proportional to both how quickly you can type and how accurately you can do it. The only thing required of you is to listen to audio and then type out just what the speakers say. You must also have very quick typing skills because in most cases, people will talk more quickly than you are able to write down their words. You can apply for this at happyscribe.com, rev.com, gottranscription.com, and of course, upwork.com. Number 4, proofreading. As a proofreader, you should be able to spot problems in a piece of writing within seconds. Proofreading is a highly sought after and well-paid profession. Plus, you don't really need a degree, and some recruitment agencies don't demand any previous experience or training. You can learn to proofread in a short period of time, and doing so from the comfort of your own home, which can be very profitable and a convenient way to make extra income in your free time. If you're interested, you can apply on Steady, FlexJobs, Fiverr, Upwork, or Edit Fast. Number 5. Bookkeeping and data entry. These two positions are not exactly the same, but they do have some overlapping similarities and responsibilities. After all, accurate data entry is the foundation of reliable bookkeeping. Resolving accounts, transferring receipts, handling payroll, providing monthly or quarterly statements, and preparing the annual books available for the accountant are among the responsibilities that you will be involved in as a bookkeeper. For data entry, you don't even need any previous experience to get started. If you don't know how to use Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, you may take classes or watch instructional videos to learn and get started. You may apply to Steady, FlexJobs, Fiverr, Upwork, We Work Remotely, and Bookkeepers.com. There are a lot of typing jobs out there, so if you're interested in more, comment down below so we can make more videos about them. In fact, other typing jobs can earn you more income than the others. For instance, you will make less income completing surveys than you might by freelance writing, but you should take the route that best suits your current skill set. If you like this video, comment down below, I'm ready to write. And if you'd like to apply to any one of these websites, be sure to check them out. Like and subscribe so you can see more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.